If you own an F250 2018 or newer and it's making this ticking noise in the 6.2, in this video I'm going to show you exactly what's making that noise and why you do not need to be worried. So what that noise is that clip right there rubbing on the inside of the fan. So as you can see, you hear that? It's rubbing only on one rotation. When it speeds up, it makes it sound a lot worse. It's that clip right there rubbing on the inside of these little aluminum fins. Not a big deal, but it's kind of weird how Ford designed that to rub.